What up, guys? Part 2 of wrestling. Let's get into it. Trace, where should we put the camera? Oh. But look. Yeah, no, not. Perfect. So,
but put some pillows under yours in case it falls.
We will try not to make the phone fall. So, part 2 of wrestling.
Why do you have YouTube channel anyways?
What?
Why do you have a YouTube channel anyways?
Because we like making
What's up,
videos.
guys? Ahmed? Huh? He has 6, 7 subscribers.
I've got silent boy.
Anyways, part 2 wrestling. We got
I have 5.
no interrupting us. We both use our wrestling. So, part 2 wrestling. By the way, we have 6, 7. We have 6, 7 subscribers.
6, 7.
6, 7.
You say it like a Moffy.
Anyways, let's get into it. So we're gonna start. You guys move. Let's make it. We have to fight anyone.
Can I stand here? No.
Okay.
Just ask you. Guys, Oliver, stand there. There.
I know
We're
this.
gonna throw each other on the couches. And this ball must move or else we're gonna break our spines.
Anyways, the last view you couldn't actually see us when we were wrestling because the camera is sucky.
Nah, but close this door.
Yeah.
You just. By the way, you guys have to look at the table order. Let's just press this. Okay. Daddy, you ready?
Me, man.
Now all of us.
Okay. We all ready.
Now bro, go to your side. This is my side. That's in there.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? I'll win, you guys. Last time I lost.
So she said last time you lost.
No, I lost. That guy, I tried to do a wrestling move. Then I hurted my hip very bad, so then I couldn't do nothing.
Okay,
Then the guy tackled me. Then and he goes 1, 2, 3. Then I lost.
It's supposed to be a wrestling. Wrestling this is.
3,
2,
2, 1.
Go. Come here.
I didn't disrespect slide.
Say, boy.
Yo! Nothing. Body slamming.
Come here. You call it. Come here. Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Yes. Pretty. Come here, pretty. Oh, body. Just go. Just.
Yo, Chase. Chase, getting cooked. Sorry, I'm stronger than you.
Chase, you're never stronger than me.
I wonder why I should die. By the way, you guys, it's like a few months, it's like summer.
Chase, you're getting cooked.
I do the same school, man.
Get down, Fred.
Give me both.
Chase was gonna get cooked. Get him!
Bro's trying to poppy me.
Bro's trying to kick you.
I'm gonna roast
He's trying
you.
to poppy me.
Poppy him! Why can't you just poppy me?
Sure, right.
Do the back slam. Back slam.
Chase, I saw.
The only way to win is also to lay on him.
I got him in a lock.
Step out! Step out! Step out!
Step out.
Step out!
I'm becoming this easy.
Step out!
Every second is getting harder.
Bro's trying to bite you. You sure?
I think you lay last time.
You sure?
I think this
You're on this one.
I think this guy's lay last time.
Chase. It's more. I want to do it.
Step out! Step out! Huh?
Chase, what are you doing, please?
Step out. It's getting harder and harder for you. Bro's only sitting, that's all he does.
Yes, man. Go.
No surprise.
Copy him. Copy him.
You wanna kick?
Okay, sorry.
Wrestling isn't about sorry.
Oh, what?
Damien, what do you think is going on here? We do it. Pick up this package. What is this extra stuff all in the bin?
Now we might get a video for you
And
to
that small piece in the bin.
Go here.
You let
James
me
friend.
interrupt us.
My friends do wrestling at school.
He's sleeping his bed.
Why don't you just go to bed?
We're continuing.
Okay.
Go. Break his hole. I mean, I break his hole off me.
Imagine.
The mince.
Just grab his leg. Grab his leg with your wine.
In the lock.
You're not choking him. That's a part of it.
Don't move, then I will not make it harder.
Try crying. Leo is face, Mama.
I'm in the lock.
Leo is eating it.
No, it's my lock. I can easily get out of the lock. Jeez. This is a real lock.
Tip out! I tip out! Yes!
One again.
Don't do the video. Don't make it over.
Just won the video.
You mean crying?
I won. I won.
Put it back up.
All
Oliver, now it's you and Chase.
No.
Yes!
No.
I did my turn, not you and Oliver.
Now you have fish fatty.
We in a video right now.
This man's so weak. Man's so weak.
No, that's good.
Don't. It's way too quick. No one will watch it.
We're not gonna this one.
I will go on top of the mountain to fall off. No? Then you're gonna get my What? Up, we suck. I suck.
I'm gonna fucking go. Oliver's the one that hit you back.
That's right.
Damien.
I'm doing another round.
But I'm scared of Chase.
Just look weak. My friends.
But yes.
My school friends are eating. I lift my friends up.
We're just waiting for
Man.
Clean this guy's fat.
Jimmy, you know you're fat.
Oh my leg. Ow. Okay, I give up. I tip. Tip on the ground now. I tip.
Okay, just check.
Chase one again.
One again,
Yes,
and I didn't even plan to fight.
You suck.
I suck. What time is it I have to leave to go?
I'll pass.
I didn't say that you suck. I said that I suck.
Time pause.
What time is it? It's 1:30. Okay, good. I have to leave 30 minutes. I have to leave 2 o'clock. 1 hour. Damn, so it's only 30 minutes left. 30 minutes? Huh? 1:12. Chase, hit you! He's taking out his very...
I can prison, that's all.
I mean, you're gonna see now. Not my shoe. Give me my shoe back. Give me my shoe back.
And my shoes.
What's the bang? Take his big shoes.
Oh,
My worst nightmare. Oh, my worst nightmare. What's nightmare? Oh, what are you gonna do to me? David, let's team up with him because he has a weapon. Oh, gosh. Bro, it's a gun. He won't even swing. He won't swing. He won't. Yeah. I don't know.
See like a bamboo.
I'm
And it's bamboo.
Bro's trying to be in I could one shot this guy, but I just don't wanna.
Maybe don't take stuff and you take it out, no?
We're all sweating.
I could just give this guy a punch. Anyways, let's just go in the room. Yeah. You know what? More better. Yeah, let's go in the room.
Guys, we'll be outside now. Now let's go.
I like chess now, yeah.
Chase Noria.
Chess every car. He's your friend.
Yeah. You guys, I forgot to say,
Boyfriend.
like and subscribe.
Huh? This guy's making a 1 hour video.
No, I'm not. I'm making like 37 minutes something.
It's already past 37 minutes. Since past 37 minutes, hasn't it?
There's a birdie.
Only been like 10
There's a birdie.
I'll kill this bird, man.
11 minutes actually.
Tyler said again to the viewers.
I'll kill the bird.
You said that it's gonna kill the bird.
That's for you, damn.
Anyways, well, we outside now. So, Chase coming. We need to
I
say,
can get the bird nest off. Ne?
don't. You go to hell, breaks a nest.
You?
When
He would.
okay, peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.